Namaste. Today we are going to talk about meditation for beginners. Now, there have been many questions which have been asked to me on various social media platforms about how do I begin meditation? Why don't you make a course? Why don't you give us a series, a lecture on YouTube or internet where we can have a video to understand what is meditation? Now, meditation I've already explained in my YouTube video. But going to the step two from the beginner level to a little advanced or little intermediate level is after you've started understanding what is meditation and what is it not, then you move to the breathing exercise, because the moment you are angry, you breathe in a different way, and the moment you are happy, you breathe in a different way. In this way, if you are aware of your breath, you slowly start slipping into meditation. Meditation is a very powerful thing which happens on its own, and these tools and techniques can be taught to you by the right teacher, by the meditation teacher, yoga teachers, your spiritual guide or your guru. So it's important to practice to focus on your breath. And if you think and if you feel, and many message me that my mind never stops and it's constantly thinking when I'm focusing on the breath. I'm not telling you to do deep breathing exercise. No, don't get me wrong. I'm saying to focus on inhalation and exhalation, that you're breathing. That's it. That's one of the mindfulness meditation or breath awareness meditation you can begin with. When you do that for few days, the first week will pass like this, that I'm breathing in, breathing out, and so many thoughts. I have to have breakfast, lunch, dinner, I have to meet this person, I have this important checklist to be finished, and I have such a long to-do list, and this will pop up. This is very natural. That means your mind is giving or throwing tantrums at you that don't focus, don't meditate, don't let me shut down. When you meditate and grow higher, slowly these thoughts will reduce. So first, at least give it a week and be proud of yourself that you're becoming aware of this madness, the chaos of thoughts which are happening in your mind. Then move to step number 2, only focusing the cold air going in and the warm air coming out. Now, depending on which country you are, but when you exhale, there is always warm air at the tip of your nostrils. You will feel that's the pace of your breath. You have to be very, 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 very slow, but consciously, not forcing. No, that won't work. So, grow slowly and steadily that you can sustain meditation. So, step number 2 is what we learned today. Focus on your in breath and out breath, and on your out breath you will feel the warm air on the tip of your nostrils. Practice this for 1 week and send me your videos. Tag your friends who need this kind of meditation push. And yes, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this short quick tip on meditation from beginner to intermediate, like just the journey to get into meditation, do not forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button. My name is Ronak Gajjar. Thank you. Namaste.